Are you about to drop money on an SUV? Hold on. Not every flashy, sleek model you see cruising down the road is worth your hard-earned cash. Some options might seem smart at first, but can turn into a four-wheeled nightmare, leaving you with hefty repair bills, terrible gas mileage, and lingering disappointment. In this video, we're calling out 7 SUVs that could leave you with buyer's remorse, judgmental side eyes, and a financial loss that's hard to swallow. Stick around to the end to discover the traps you need to avoid at all costs. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. List of 7 criticized SUVs. Erstens Volkswagen Tiguan. When you hear Volkswagen Tiguan, you might picture a stylish European SUV with a sleek design, luxurious features, and all the bells and whistles. But behind that polished exterior lies a reality that has left many owners muttering one word: regret. Starting at just over $27,000, the Tiguan's price isn't outrageous for its class. But here's the catch. For that money, you could get a more practical, fuel-efficient, and reliable SUV. The biggest letdown? Fuel economy. The Tiguan gets about 22 mpg in the city and 29 mpg on the highway, which isn't impressive when competitors are prioritizing efficiency. Driving it in crowded city streets feels like wrestling a stubborn toddler. The steering is light but lacks precision, sometimes making you feel like you're piloting a boat rather than a car. Sure, the Tiguan feels solid and its interior looks upscale, but is the German badge worth the daily inconveniences? An SUV shouldn't just look good in a parking lot, it needs to be a reliable partner on every journey. If you choose the Tiguan just for its looks, you might soon realize that practicality and comfort matter far more than owning a car that screams half-hearted luxury. Ask yourself, do you want a dependable road companion or a shiny mobile accessory that causes headaches? With the Tiguan, the answer often leans toward the latter. Nissan Rogue. In the US, the Nissan Rogue was once seen as a safe bet for families looking for an affordable SUV. But dig into the real-world experience, and many owners bitterly admit it was a mistake. Starting at around $28,000, the Rogue seems like a steal at first glance, but you might be signing up for a heap of unexpected troubles. The biggest issue is the driving experience. Many describe the Rogue as stuck forever in the slow lane. The engine feels sluggish, and the CVT transmission is noisy, leaving the car gasping for power when you need to accelerate. Some owners even report engine knocking after just 170,000 miles, a mediocre lifespan for an SUV marketed as durable. On top of that, road noise seeps into the cabin, ruining the peace you'd expect on long drives. Worse still, some drivers have noticed a raw gasoline smell when using the defroster, which is not only annoying, but also raises safety concerns. And with a string of recalls, Rogue owners often live in fear, wondering what's going to break next. They say Japanese cars are the gold standard for reliability, but the Rogue seems to challenge that notion. If you pick this SUV, you might find yourself starring in a game called Guess the Next Issue. And trust me, that's not a game anyone wants to play. Ask yourself, are you looking for peace of mind, or are you willing to roll the dice every time you turn the key? If it's peace of mind you want, the Nissan Rogue is unlikely to be the smart choice. Three, Jeep Compass. When you think of Jeep, you probably picture rugged, free-spirited vehicles conquering tough off-road trails. But when it comes to the Jeep Compass, those high expectations quickly turn into a big question mark. With a price tag easily climbing past $30,000, the Compass tricks buyers into thinking they're getting that legendary off-road spirit. In reality, many owners admit it's more about flash than actual value. The biggest disappointment? Fuel economy. Averaging just 24 miles per gallon, it lags far behind competitors in its class. Meanwhile, many family sedans now easily hit over 30 miles per gallon. This makes a so-called versatile SUV feel heavy and unjustifiably thirsty for gas. Inside, the Jeep Compass isn't exactly user-friendly. The controls are clunky and confusing, and visibility is hampered by thick A-pillars and a narrow rear window. Plus, the engine noise has been likened to an industrial band that follows you on every trip, turning long drives into a test of patience. Some owners even joke that they have to top off the AdBlue fluid so often, it feels like they're maintaining a semi-truck. Sure, the Compass can handle light off-road trails, but let's be honest, how many buyers are actually taking their SUV rock climbing? Most just need a comfortable vehicle for commuting, errands, or family trips. When its off-road capability isn't standout and daily comfort falls short, the Compass struggles to make a case for itself. So, do you want an SUV that's a true companion for every moment, or just a Jeep logo on the hood to make you feel better? With the Compass, the answer often leans toward the latter. That's why many see it as a less than wise choice. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. 4. Cadillac Escalade. Mention the Cadillac Escalade, and you're likely thinking of the king of American luxury SUVs, a massive, commanding presence that turns heads wherever it goes. But behind all that glitz lies a costly lesson. Spending big doesn't always mean getting big value. Starting at over $85,000 and climbing as high as $155,000, the Escalade is one of the priciest SUVs on the market. Yet, when you get behind the wheel, many owners realize that their massive investment mostly buys a luxury badge, not a superior experience. Fuel economy is a dismal 14 mpg in the city and 19 mpg on the highway. Numbers so bad that even some full-size pickups do better. Every long trip feels like you're pouring money straight into the gas pump. Yes, the Escalade boasts a spacious cabin, a modern entertainment system, and a slew of cutting-edge tech. But then you notice that many of its mechanical parts and components are shared with far cheaper models, like the GMC Yukon or Chevrolet Tahoe. So, what's the real difference? A Cadillac logo on the steering wheel and some shiny chrome trim. On top of that, driving the Escalade can feel like piloting a luxury semi-truck. Big, heavy, and not exactly nimble. It makes a grand entrance, but most buyers need an SUV that balances luxury with practicality. On that front, the Escalade seems to forget about efficiency and sensibility. Here's the question. Is it worth shelling out 6 figures for fleeting admiration from strangers, only to deal with frustration every time you fill up or compare the interior to cheaper alternatives? With the Escalade, the glamour might make you feel proud for a moment, but its impracticality will remind you of the cost every single day. That's why many consider it an unwise choice. Five, Ford Explorer. If there's an SUV that's practically an American icon, the Ford Explorer is it. For decades, it's been tied to images of family weekend getaways, cross-country road trips, and even police fleets. But that widespread popularity can create a false sense of security, making you think the Explorer is a foolproof choice. Unfortunately, the reality isn't so rosy. At a mid-range price, the Explorer seems to offer a lot. Spacious seating for the whole family, modern safety tech, and a commanding design. But user reviews paint a cracked picture. Reliability, the cornerstone of any family SUV, is alarmingly low. Owners report issues like faulty air conditioning, eerie engine noises, and seats so stiff they leave you aching on long drives. Consumer Reports even advises against buying the current Explorer generation, giving it a dismal 2 out of 5 satisfaction score, a number that makes many buyers hesitate. Once you're holding the keys, you might find yourself on a first-name basis with the repair shop, dealing with everything from minor glitches to major issues requiring constant warranty claims. Instead of peace of mind, the Explorer plants a nagging worry. What's going to break next? Sure, the Explorer has its strengths, a rugged look, decent towing capacity, and a wide service network. But are those enough to offset the daily hassles? For many, the answer is no. So, here's the question. Do you want a family SUV that's truly dependable, or a familiar name that traps you in a cycle of repairs and complaints? With the Explorer, the answer often leans toward the latter, making it a choice many see as less wise than a smart investment. Six, Chevrolet Blazer. At first glance, the Chevrolet Blazer is a head-turner. Sporty lines, bold styling, and that iconic gold bow tie logo shining on the grille. It feels like the perfect SUV for those who want a daily driver with a splash of personality. But beneath that glossy exterior lies a harsh truth. The Blazer is a textbook case of all looks, no soul. Starting at around $36,000, you'd expect a powerful, engaging ride. Instead, the base model's 2.0-liter turbo engine with just 228 horsepower feels underwhelming. Not bad, but far from exciting. Meanwhile, competitors like the Ford Edge or Honda Passport deliver better performance for a similar price. This makes the Blazer lose points fast for anyone seeking a balance of cost and power. The problems don't stop there. Owners report a string of technical issues, engine troubles, glitchy electrical systems, and steep repair costs. Some have shelled out over $5,000 for repairs after just 25,000 miles, a shockingly early point for a midsize SUV to show chronic illness. For those who view a car as a long-term investment, this is a bitter pill to swallow. Yes, the Blazer offers a modern interior and an intuitive infotainment system. But does that make up for the frustration of constant breakdowns? Its flashy design can't hide the fact that many owners feel they've overpaid for a showpiece. So, before you sign the check, ask yourself, do you want an SUV that's a true road companion, or just a shiny model that looks great in a parking lot but leaves you regretting it in the repair shop? With the Blazer, sadly, too many owners end up in the latter situation. Seven, Jeep Wagoneer. When Jeep revived the Wagoneer name, many expected it to dominate the full-size luxury SUV segment. In the minds of American car enthusiasts, the Wagoneer was once a symbol of grandeur and comfort. But the reality falls short of the dream. With a price tag nearing $100,000, the Wagoneer boasts a commanding presence, a spacious cabin, and tech galore. Yet, lurking beneath the surface is a host of issues that even loyal Jeep fans can't ignore. The biggest letdown? Reliability. Owners report constant issues with the electronics, frozen infotainment screens, software glitches, and random warnings about the steering or power assist. Some have had to tow their Wagoneer to the shop 3 times in the first 2 weeks due to battery drain or electrical gremlins. For a 6-figure SUV, this feels like a luxury nightmare in disguise. Fuel economy is another sore spot. Averaging just 21 Foreman P4G on the highway, it lags behind competitors that have embraced hybrid tech or more efficient engines. Every long trip with the Wagoneer hits your wallet hard. Sure, the Wagoneer has strengths, a roomy interior, a bold design, and family-friendly features. But with persistent minor issues, lackluster after-sales service, and a sense that the vehicle wasn't ready for prime time, those positives fade fast. So, here's the question. Are you willing to spend 6 figures on a flashy SUV that might spend more time in the shop than on the road? With the Wagoneer, many owners admit they've bought more headaches than luxury. That's why it's often called an unwise choice. The 7 SUVs on this list share a common thread: stunning looks and big-name brands that hide a slew of flaws: poor fuel economy, frequent breakdowns, high repair costs, and lackluster driving experiences. The takeaway? Don't be swayed by appearances or brand prestige. A truly worthwhile SUV strikes a balance between performance, reliability, practicality, and long-term value. That's the smart investment for your journey. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.